Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For all the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And as you see today, we're gonna make a slick braided ponytail, so let's get right into it. So I'll firstly be starting off by sectioning out the piece of hair that I will be using for the swoop. Next, I will brush my hair and tie it up into a ponytail and add some Kulisa gel to help slick it down. I applied loads of gel because my hair is super thick. I'm 4 months post relaxed. And my hair is by a stage where I really can't handle it anymore. So my relax day routine is coming soon. After applying some gel to it, I will brush my hair again and tie it up into a ponytail. So I was going to do a swoop, but as you can see, a big fail. So I decided to brush the hair back and tie it up into the ponytail. Next, I will be using Vita molding gel to lay my edges. Now I'm going to be adding the braid to my ponytail. I will be using bobby pins to stick it down, and thereafter I will just wrap that piece of hair around the braid to give it a nice finish. And here is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.